We're excited to introduce 5109 Chinaberry in McKinney, Texas. This will be our second time to represent this property. The current homeowner contacted us to sell it for them because they were so impressed by our marketing and presentation when they purchased it years ago. Let's take a look inside. They say the kitchen is the heart of the home, and that is especially true in this beautiful property. It's hard to find quality features and appliances at this price point, but you have it all and more in this 1,832 square foot property with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2-car garage, perfectly located in McKinney, next to every convenience you could imagine. We're excited for you to see 5109 Chinaberry in McKinney, Texas. Contact the Lisa Birdsong Group if you'd like to schedule your private tour. We hope to see you soon.